Thank you very much. House Chair, I understand why the representatives of imperialist forces will want to silence this voice. And that's why they will stand up to raise unnecessary questions. House Chairperson, the first remark we wish to make is that there was a very little engagement politically. If anything, people want to blackmail us about aid and all sorts of things. But they know very well that there is no reason related to any wrongdoing by South Africa which has led to USA cutting its own aid. You can't say Donald Trump must be elected today and the following day he makes executive orders and then you come here and blame the South African government as if the South African government did not do anything in between. That was a predetermined outcome where he wanted to come into office and punish South Africa for its position on Palestine and many other issues. We must be very clear that we are not going to agree to any form of bullying by anyone. It's a lie that there is farm killings in South Africa. Actually, those who are married in farms and owning farms, they kill each other for money, for policy money.
Hi, Bazalabamzito. Welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, guys. That is the president of EFF party, guys, responding to Donald Trump. We know that there was a meeting, the meeting that he feels like it was about him, about between Donald Trump and our president, which is Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. So, I totally agree with Malema, because I didn't get the point of the meeting. I didn't see the point of the meeting, and I didn't hear into the main point of him calling the meeting. And they didn't have a conclusion, most because whatever that Trump wanted to address with Ramaphosa, I think is something that would have made through a letter, not Ramaphosa suke la Mali State. Ahambe nabantu abayi-5 or so there so that they can discuss Malema and EMK part. I just felt as if it was very unfair, and I think Ramaphosa, even though I felt as if because that thing was a simple answer. You know what? Please do your research very well. You'll see that people who are suffering and who are most being deleted in South Africa, I guess you get me, is about blacks, and the majority group who they don't get justice are blacks because they don't afford liars. So please do to comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Yinithanda ukuya nokubuya.